Hello guys and welcome. So I wanted to do a very quick tutorial about the feature called YouTube Premium. So what YouTube Premium allows you to do is watch basically all of YouTube with no ads, which again has been amazing. And a little bit of the money that you put into your sub to YouTube Premium goes to the creators. So there is a section, if you're a YouTuber, there's a section that you can actually see in your analytics, so it shows how many views you're getting from premium members essentially. So it's not a selfish thing. It's not a way of avoiding supporting content creators. It actually supports them better, if anything. But the main point of it is that it will vastly improve your experience on the platform. Such as I have Twitch Turbo, I also have YouTube Premium because they're the two main websites I spend most of my day on. So you can see youtube.com/premium. In the UK, it costs £11.99. I'm not sure how much it is in the US, but you can see here ad-free and background play. Watch videos uninterrupted by ads while using other apps or when the screen is locked. Save videos for when you really need them, like when you're on a plane or commuting. So you don't have to, you can download them in advance and then you don't have to be using your mobile data. And then download our music app and listen without interruption. So for me, the main thing is about the ad free because there are some content creators, I'm not going to name anyone, who will add about 10 ads per video. But you might still really want to watch the content. So it's a good way to avoid all of them. It's great being able to browse through all of YouTube and not see any ads. Now, one thing that's not really emphasized here is that you also have the YouTube Premium TV shows. So one that I really highly recommend is Cobra Kai. So sorry, I spelled it wrong. So Cobra Kai is basically it's a TV show based around the film Karate Kid, but it's in the future. So Daniel LaRusso has grown up, and it's got most of the original cast members of the movie, but they've made a TV show. And by having YouTube Premium, you are able to watch the seasons. I've already watched the first two seasons of Cobra Kai, and they have many other TV shows, but Cobra Kai especially stood out to me, and they're going to be adding more in the future. But the main thing for me is being able to browse all of YouTube to really great content creators who I watch all the time. Like I watch Maximilian Dude all the time. I watch Dashy Games. Sometimes I watch XQC or Asmongold highlights. I watch Maximilian Dude. There's some people I watch on a daily basis. The Night Sky Prince, and I just don't want to have to sit through ads. And even it's not as bad on YouTube compared to other websites, but even the sitting through 3 seconds of an ad and clicking skip ad. I don't have to worry about any of that now because I have YouTube Premium. So overall, I would say it's worth it. Also, as well, you can share it with your family. So, like for example, I've got it signed in here. I've got it signed in at my parents' house, and so on. So they can all watch YouTube without adverts, which has been really, really great. Really, really great. So just remember, guys, that YouTube Premium does exist. It used to be called, I believe, YouTube Red, but now it's called YouTube Premium. It is a way to get around the ads without using an ad blocker. Because some people might say, why not just use an ad blocker? But for me, I see it as a way to not support the content creators if you use an ad blocker. So that's why I would rather go down the legit line of using YouTube Premium, and also I then get also access to the YouTube Premium TV shows, which are very, very good. So yeah, so I would say it's worth it for that reason. And who knows, like maybe YouTube will take a leaf out of Twitch's book and simply they will integrate the ads into the video feed so that you can no longer block them with ads. But we'll see if YouTube get around to that at some point. Like I think the technology does exist for video platforms to be able to do that and make ad blockers redundant. So I think within, I don't know, I can't, if I was to guess, I would say probably within a couple of years, the concept of ad blocking is going to be completely gone. but that's just my guess. So obviously, there's no way we can know. So yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You can watch a random video over there. You can watch the latest upload down there, or you can click down here to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.